Question number 24 gives us some information, and what they want us to do with that information is to find an equation of a line, and they want us to put the answer in slope-intercept form. Now, I may be approaching this a little differently than your instructor. There are different methods for showing people how to do this problem. I kind of go directly to the straightforward approach on this, and I want to show you what I mean. So let me take you to the piece of paper. All right, here's question number 24. All right, we're asked to find the slope-intercept form of a line, or slope-intercept equation of a line, and we're given data. It passes through the ordered pair 3, -7, and the slope is 2. Now, first thing you need to remember, slope-intercept form of a line, what does that look like? All right? And I hope in general you remember the answer. The final answer to this problem, oops, I'm going to write it under this box. Y equals mx plus b. This is what the final answer will look like, because that's what slope-intercept form is. We basically need to know what m is, and we need to know what b is, and then we have our answer to the problem. Well, I contend that we already have been given one of those pretty easily. The slope is 2, so I already know what to put in for m. So the truth is, I already have this part of my answer. Y equals, what's m? It's 2. The part of my answer that I don't have is the b. That's really what I'm missing. Well, watch this, okay? Let's come down here and let's do some work, all right? So far, we're this far in the problem. Y is equal to 2x plus b. But I need to know what b is, because I need to put it back in here to get my final answer to the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Well, I've already used this data, but notice I have not used this data. I have not used the ordered pair 3, -7. So in my work process, how about if I do this? Put a 3 in for x and put a -7 in for y and see what happens. -7 goes in the place of y. 3 goes in the place of x. And this is what I have, correct? -7 equals 6 plus b. And if I wanted to get b alone, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. Therefore, b would be equal to, my paper wouldn't move, -7 minus 6, which is -13. You with me? So now I virtually know the two pieces of information I needed, okay? Let me kind of recap them here. I needed to know m, but I already had that. M was 2. And I found out what b was. B is equal to -13. Remember what I'm writing as my answer. My final answer to this problem is the equation of the line. And remember, it's in the form y equals, let me come down here so you can see it, y equals mx plus b. This is hard sometimes, being your own producer and director here. You never know where the camera is, because I'm doing this as a one-man deal, as you can tell. So I apologize when the camera moves off the paper, but I think you're with me now. The slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. M is 2. We just found out that b was -13. So my final answer to this problem, y equals 2x and plus b. Since b is a negative number, it's actually going to end up being a minus 13. There is my answer. The equation of this line in slope-intercept form is y equals 2x minus 13, and we're done.